right, we have one of gospel's biggest brand, one of gospel's biggest gospel musical artists in the house, This is a Crazy FM with ONG, and he's right here in my studio, This guy has been selling millions of copies, and Pirates are doing a wonderful job circulating all his videos, and his audio all around, I have him here with me, and I'm happy to introduce him. He's here right now, E-Ben! E-Ben, oh, man, I love you a lot, man. Your song is hot, your album on the rock is solid, you know what I'm saying? Excuse get out of my studio, man. You studio right get out of my studio. Get out. I don't want to see you. I'm sorry for all, the talks and everything. I have him in the house. Ben, and you do your thing like you know how to do it, man. How does it feel being one of the biggest gospel musicians out there right now?
It's awesome to be here with you, ONG. It's awesome. The Bible says that upon this rock, I will build my church. And I believe that this album is that rock, you know what I mean?
All right, it's Crazy FM, you know what I'm saying? We're going to be introducing one of his tracks right now. It's a special track. What is this track called?
This song is titled Baba You Too Much. Is dedicated to all my African brothers and sisters, my mom's side and all. He's just saying how wonderful and how awesome God is in our own way, Baba You Too Much. Take it out.
Baba You Too Much. You just had E-Ben do his thing. He introduced the album to you. I told you this guy's hot. I told you this guy's good. I told you this guy's classic. I told you this guy has style. For all y'all back belly people who are there, he's only God that this man worships. Baba You Too Much. Baba, 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 Baba. The album is going to continue to sell, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to play the track at this particular moment. I am ONG, the crazy comedian, and this is Crazy FM. I'm signing out. Baba.